Ramos Pinto vintage port is still made from grapes stored in a traditional lagar. That's allowed the fruit juice to be extracted in a very efficient way, very smooth and very gentle. The main challenge is to respect the quality of our state-grown grapes, harvesting at the right moment and then blending at the perfect moment without losing any aroma or flavor, preserving the distinct character of our ports.
The best example is to find that freshness in such a hot year, because it's a concentration year where we have a lot of color, a lot of tannin, a lot of power in the wine, but also that elegant fresh side as well.
This vintage is full of fruit. Raspberry from a Touriga Nacional plot called Arqueologia, and wild berries from the Grandão, another plot. And finally, Touriga Francesa and Sauzal varieties had the freshness we need. Quinta de Ervamoira 2020 vintage is concentrate, intense and elegant. It's an outstanding wine.